how to use financial reports to spot business trends. If you're a small business owner, your financial reports are more than just numbers for your accountant. They're a roadmap that shows where your business has been and where it's heading. In this video, we'll walk through how to use financial reports to identify business trends so you can make smarter decisions, spot problems early, and grow with confidence. Let's start with the basics. The three financial reports you should review regularly are: income statement, P&L, shows your revenue, expenses, and profit over a period of time. Balance sheet shows what you own, owe, and your equity at a point in time. Cash flow statement shows how cash moves in and out of your business. You don't need to be an accountant to spot trends. You just need to look at these reports month by month and compare them over time. First, look at your revenue trends on the income statement. Ask yourself, is revenue increasing, flat, or declining over the last 6 to 12 months? Are there seasonal patterns, certain months that always spike or dip? If revenue is growing but profits aren't, that's a trend worth investigating. Next, look at your expenses and profit margin. Which expense categories are creeping up over time? Is your gross margin shrinking because costs are rising faster than sales? These patterns help you decide where to cut costs, raise prices, or renegotiate with vendors. You can't talk about business trends without cash flow. Even if your income statement shows a profit, poor cash flow can still put pressure on your business. Review your cash flow statement and ask, are you consistently cash positive or cash negative each month? Are you waiting too long to get paid from customers? Are loan payments or credit card balances slowly increasing? These cash flow trends show whether your business is sustainable or at risk of a crunch. Financial reports only become powerful when you take action on what you see. Some examples: if revenue is growing but profit is flat, review pricing and cost of goods sold. If certain expenses keep rising, set budgets and monitor those categories monthly. If cash is always tight, tighten collections, adjust payment terms, or rethink spending. Make it a habit to review your financial reports every month and compare them to prior periods. Over time, you'll clearly see the trends and you'll feel more in control of your business. When you understand your financial reports, you're not just running your business on gut feeling, you're leading with data. If you'd like help organizing your books or setting up clear monthly reports, consider working with a professional bookkeeping team that specializes in small businesses.